handsome male. Okay, let's hear a round of applause for handsomest male.
Cooper's right here.
We ask all handsome males, please listen, you're going to go to the center of the ring, and then you're going to go in front of the judges and strike a pose. Okay, number 1, we have number 4, this is Rio. Give it up for Rio. Number 5, we have Cooper. Welcome Cooper to the ring.
Listen.
Y'all give it up for Cooper. We have number 8, this is Braxton.
Come on, baby doll.
Y'all give it up for Braxton.
Move your pull up, baby doll.
Up next, number 10, we got Whiskey. Whiskey's back in the ring. Give it up for Whiskey. All right, number 11, we have Winston. Y'all give it up for Winston. Okay, up next we got number 12, Mr. Oswald. He's back at it, coming in hot. Next up, we got number 13. This is Sammy, previously known as Snoopy. Y'all give it up for Sammy.
I got him last year. Saddle. I picked him up for rescue as an owner surrender because she was having medical problems. They are. They've got a great